Welcome to the top best. The best PWR charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who relies on their devices throughout the day, and with so many options flooding the market, finding the perfect one can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. This is where we come in, to cut through the noise and help you discover the PWR charger that will not only keep your gadgets powered up but also enhance your overall user experience with its reliability and performance. Number 5. Anker Nano iPhone Power Bank. Never get caught with a dead battery again. This portable charger features a built-in connector, so you can easily charge your Apple devices without needing an extra cable. Get back to full power in no time. Its 12W output ensures your device charges quickly and efficiently, keeping you connected. Designed specifically for your Apple devices, you can trust it to work safely and effectively. It's the perfect companion for your iPhone, iPad, or iPod. With its 5,000 mAh capacity, it provides up to 20 hours of additional video playtime for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Stay entertained throughout your entire journey. You'll receive the Anker 621 power bank, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a welcome guide, and a worry-free 18-month warranty with friendly customer service. What we like. This one is incredibly convenient for Apple users. If you're tired of carrying extra cables and want a no-fuss charging solution for your iPhone, this is it. Its compact size makes it perfect for slipping into your pocket or small bag, ensuring you always have power on the go. What people say. The charger has a compact design. It charges devices quickly and efficiently. The build quality feels solid and durable. Number 4. PWR AC Cable Replacement Power Cord. Introducing a high-quality, extra-long 6-foot AC power cord. It's designed to be durable and reliable for your devices. This versatile cord is compatible with a wide range of electronics. It's perfect for TVs, monitors, printers, game consoles, and many other devices. From your LED TV and gaming console to your laptop charger and audio systems, this cable provides a secure connection. Rest assured, this power cord is UL listed and certified. It has undergone rigorous testing to meet safety standards. As a USA-based company, we offer excellent customer support. Enjoy a 30-day refund and a 24-month exchange warranty. What we like. This is the essential replacement for many of your home electronics. If you need a reliable and safe power cord for your TV, game console, or printer, this 6-foot cord offers great reach. Its UL certification provides peace of mind for your device's safety. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly and efficiently, with no overheating issues. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. Number 3. TORRAS MiniMag Magnetic Power Bank. Tired of bulky power banks? This is the slimmest and lightest 10,000 mAh portable charger in its class, perfect for life on the go. It provides ample power to keep your devices charged all day long. Experience the convenience of magnetic charging. Simply snap it on for a secure connection and fast power-up, no cables needed. It's compatible with MagSafe technology and magnetic phone cases. Don't waste time waiting. It supports 22.5W wired and 15W wireless fast charging, ensuring your devices are powered up quickly. Never worry about a dead battery again, even on long trips. Built with advanced lithium polymer battery technology, it's incredibly durable and can be recharged over 500 times. Advanced safety features like temperature control and overcharge protection ensure your device is always safe. With 12 years of innovation and numerous awards, we've served millions worldwide. This charger is certified and comes with an 18-month warranty and lifetime professional support for your peace of mind. What we like. For those who prioritize sleek design and effortless charging, this is the one to consider. If you have an iPhone with MagSafe and want a power bank that snaps on easily without any cables, this ultra-slim option is ideal. It offers substantial power in a remarkably thin package. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly and efficiently, even multiple devices at once. The build quality is excellent, with a durable and sturdy design. Number 2. Nusyddy 10,000 mAh PD20W Portable Charger. Never worry about running out of battery again. This portable charger boasts a 10,000 mAh capacity, enough to charge your phone multiple times. Plus, with PD20W fast charging, you can get back to 60% in just 30 minutes, perfect for all your daily adventures. Forget about tangled cords and forgotten cables. This power bank comes with 2 built-in cables, one for iPhone and one USB-C, so you're always ready to charge, no matter where you are. Share the power. With multiple ports and built-in cables, it can charge up to 5 devices simultaneously. It's ideal for keeping everyone's gadgets powered during family trips or gatherings. Getting this power bank back to full is easy. You can recharge it directly using the built-in wall plug, or opt for faster charging with its USB-C input. It's always ready when you need it. Designed for life on the go, its compact and slim profile makes it easy to slip into any bag. It's also TSA approved, so you can take it on flights with peace of mind. Your purchase includes the 10,000 mAh portable charger, a USB-C cable, and a user manual. We also offer a 24-month replacement promise for your convenience. What we like. This power bank is a multitasker stream. If you frequently find yourself needing to charge multiple devices simultaneously, or if you hate forgetting your cables, this is the perfect solution. The built-in cables and wall plug make it incredibly versatile for travel and daily use. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly and efficiently, reducing downtime. The build quality feels solid and durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Number 1. PWR Plus Quick Charger for JBL speakers and earphones. Keep your JBL devices powered up with our fast and reliable charger. It's designed for a quick and efficient charge, ensuring you're always ready to go. This charger is compatible with a wide range of JBL speakers and earphones, including popular models like the Charge 4, Flip 5, and Endurance Peak. Your safety is our priority. This charger is UL certified, meeting strict safety standards for reliable and secure power delivery. Enjoy more freedom with an extra-long 6.7-foot cord. It provides ample reach, making it convenient to charge your devices wherever you are. Built to last, it features a steel-reinforced tip for extended usability. This ensures durability and a consistent connection every time you charge. We stand by our product with a 30-day refund policy and a 24-month exchange warranty. Our US-based customer support is here to help. What we like. This charger is specifically designed for your JBL audio devices. If you own a compatible JBL speaker or earphone and need a reliable replacement or extended charger, this is your best bet. The extra-long cord provides flexibility in placement while charging. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly and efficiently, even multiple devices at once. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel premium. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.